want to tell you a common story. A woman goes into the emergency room complaining of chest pain, pain down her arm. She's seen by an emergency room doctor, and the emergency room doctor says to her, well, it's probably just indigestion, gives her some indigestion medicine, and tells her she's okay, and she goes home. And later on, either that day or the next day, she dies of a heart attack. Has this happened to your wife? Are you asking questions about whether this was a result of a medical mistake that happened in the emergency room? Hi, everybody. My name is Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland. Before we get into this video a little bit more, please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my future videos. And by hitting that subscribe button, it really helps me out. So as I said, this is a common story that has a tragic ending, but it can be preventable. And so if you have lost your wife because of a heart attack, you may be thinking, is there something that I can do about it? Unfortunately, when women go into the emergency room with chest pain, many times the doctors tell the woman that it's indigestion. They don't do the proper tests to determine whether there in fact is a heart attack. And the most common reason that someone's having a heart attack is that they have a clogged artery right in their chest. And that clog can be easily taken care of by a procedure known as a cardiac catheterization. And that is a procedure where a wire is put up into the clogged artery, and that artery is unclogged. And sometimes there has to be a stent that's put in there to keep the artery open so that the blood can flow. Because if everything's blocked up, the blood doesn't get to the heart doesn't work, and the person dies. This is a simple test. It's done all the time in the emergency room. A cardiac catheterization is done all the time. It's a very, very common procedure. It's not that invasive. It doesn't take that long. A stent can be put in very quickly, and a tragedy doesn't have to happen. So if your wife has died as a result of a heart attack and she was told that it wasn't anything, that it was indigestion, that may not be true. My contact information will be below. I look forward to speaking with you. I'll be able to give you a free case review and answer all your questions. Thanks for watching this video.